Imagine waking up every single day with a clear mind, laser focus, and the energy to take on the world. This is what Crorepati's do. And after working with a few myself, I'm going to break down their morning routine. You can call it millionaire morning routine. I'm going to call it the Crorepati morning routine. This is their secret formula for starting their day, and you can adopt it right now. Because in this video, we're going to break down the exact Crorepati morning routine that sets people up for success and makes them who they are. Atma Namaste. Welcome, friend. Welcome to my channel, The Life Architect, where we dive deep into the habits and strategies that can transform your life today. And today, we're talking about one of the most powerful things you can do, the Crorepati morning routine. This is not just about waking up early. It's about setting yourself up for success every single day. So how do we do that? Let's break it down one step at a time. Number one, wake up early. जब आप जल्दी उठते हो, that you have more time for yourself. Brahma Muhurtam, this is when Crorepatis wake up. They understand the power of time. Waking up early between 4 and 5 a.m. gives you a head start ahead of everybody else because you can focus on yourself before your day gets busy. Don't touch your phone. Instead, give thanks. Visualize your day. Okay? This extra time in the morning allows you to be proactive, to be in receptive mode rather than reactive demands of the day. And this time starts before sunrise. ब्रह्म मुहूर्तम एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम ऑफ द डे होता है. ट्रेडिशनली ये बहुत ज्यादा ऑस्पिशियस माना जाता है फॉर स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिसेस, मेडिटेशन, ओवरऑल हेल्थ. द टर्म ब्रह्म मुहूर्त ट्रांसलेट्स फ्रॉम संस्कृत इनटू इंग्लिश एज द टाइम ऑफ ब्रह्मा, द क्रिएटर्स टाइम. ये प्री डॉन क्वाइटिट्यूड वाली होती है, आइडियल फॉर रिफ्लेक्शन एंड डीप फोकस. ज्यादातर लोगों को इंसाइट्स मिलती है इस वक्त में. The timings of Brahma Muhurta basically are approximately 1.5 hours before sunrise. So maybe between 3:30 to 5:30 a.m. depending upon your geographical location, etc. It lasts for 48 minutes and it's considered the most energetically viable time of the day. The energies for manifestation, for receptivity are very high. Step number 2, hydrate and energize. For a clear mind. The first thing that people do who are successful is they drink water. Your body is dehydrated after so many hours of sleep. So rehydrating is crucial for your brain function, for energy. Now, some people like myself add a pinch of salt and lemon to boost the hydration of the water. This increases your clarity and focus and even your digestion. Step number 3. I want you to think about manifestation energies which are passive, like meditation, visualization. Whether it's 5 minutes or 20 minutes, jab aap still hai, it helps your mental clutter. It reduces your stress. It allows Crorepatis to enter their day with a sense of calm and control. So be intentional with your thoughts, setting positive intentions. Use a vision board when somewhere near your bed. जब आप vision board को देखते हैं इस zone में, इस alpha zone में, and when you feel what you're feeling, you see what you're seeing, you've already achieved those things on your vision board. That's when your vision board becomes an action board. Okay? Step number 4, exercise, move your body. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको एकदम गहरा मतलब absolutely slaying workout करना है. It could be yoga, it could be a jog, it could be a stretching routine, whatever suits you, but move your body. Because ये आपका endorphins को boost करता है. It enhances your mood. It gets your blood flowing. It improves focus, productivity. It makes your day better. Now, I teach a Kundalini yoga class at 6:30 a.m. and it's amazing because Kundalini yoga is a mind, body, spirit practice. So you finish a lot of routines in just 1 hour. Step number 5, personal development. Feed your mind. Crorepatis never stop learning. That's why in the morning they dedicate time to personal growth. It could be listening to a podcast. It could be reading a book. It could be learning a new skill. 15 मिनट काफी है क्योंकि ये 15 मिनट ओवर टाइम कंपाउंड इफेक्ट हो जाता है, sharpening your mind and keeping you ahead of the curve. I listen to podcasts every single day and then I take 3 action steps on what I've learned. 99% people will study, but they will not take action on their knowledge. Take action on what you're learning every day. Step number 6, goal setting. I always have my goals as weekly, monthly goals, and I've taught this to these crorpatis. So before diving into emails or meetings, I tell them to take time to outline their top priorities for the day based on their goals. What are the key tasks that will move them closer to their biggest goals? Write them down. Plan your day's schedule around that to be focused and productive. मैं भी रोज करती हूँ 5 मिनट के लिए. Step number 7. Now is the time you fuel your body. A healthy breakfast. हमारे इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट में इतनी सारी वेराइटीज है, and organic Indian, ancestral breakfasts are not heavy, greasy meals, but they give you lasting energy. Smoothies, oatmeal, millets, even eggs with greens. It fuels your body and your mind, gives your brain enough nutrition to think. Like I said, हमारे traditional Indian breakfasts are the best. ये जो म्यूसलीज है और सीरियल्स और ये सब जो एम्प्टी कैलोरीज है, they will actually give you type 2 diabetes. They will make you overweight, weak, lethargic, and give you brain fog. The ripple effect of a morning routine. By following this Crorepati morning routine, you're not just setting yourself up for a productive day. You're building the habits that lead to long-term success. Success is a journey. It's about discipline, intention, and showing up for yourself before the rest of the world demands your time and energy, because you are the most important. तो अगर आप अपने जीवन को elevate कर सकते हैं, करना चाहते हैं, then you need to elevate your mornings. If you can't do everything, start with one thing. Small baby steps leads to massive shifts over time. Don't make excuses not to start. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on productivity and personal growth and success strategies. Let me know in the comments, which part of this Crorepati morning routine are you going to start tomorrow? Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update, and share this with at least 2 people. See you in the next video. Now, I have a 2-day Kundalini Yoga workshop where I am going to show you how you can set up your daily morning routine. Like I told you, in 1 hour, my students and I, we finish all these steps. So just click the link in the description, register, and I'll see you at the 2-day workshop. I'm here to help you to take your life to the next level. And perfection is an illusion. Baby steps are a reality. Stay true to being you. Atma Namaste.